Get started quickly with Vention Dash Pro under 3 minutes. From this video, you will learn how to read the charging status and how to interact with the charger. Dash Pro is a 140-watt charger that features 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. C1 and C2 can output 140 watt max when used individually, C3 30 watt max, and A port 22.5 watt max. We suggest using C1 and C2 for high-performance devices. For example, use the C1 port and the included 240 watt fast charging cable to charge up your Mac or PC. C3 and A for devices that can take high power fast charging, such as your wireless headphones and smartwatch. Of course, you may use the C1 and C2 to power up your headphones because the charger can adapt its output downwards. The emojis. Plug Dash Pro into the socket and you will see 4 sections on the smart display, each representing the 4 ports and demonstrating their real-time power, amp, voltage, and charging time. The emojis on the top right corner reveal charging speed. Sleep means no charging is taking place. Neutral, trickle charging, which is low speed and is triggered when your battery level nears 100% for battery protection. Happy, fast charging, and timeout, charging at its maximum speed. There's also an angry phase that only occurs when an anomaly happens. It can be overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, or a short circuit. When you see that angry phase, please remove the charger from the power supply or decrease the number of charging devices. The ring. With the ring, you may interact with the charger. Tap it to review each port's charging status, the temperature page where you may see the real-time charger temperature. Tap the ring again to review the DSP mode, which is short for display. Turn it on to keep the screen always on so you can scan the charging status without any tapping. Press and hold the ring for 3 seconds to rotate the screen. Choose one to fit your perspective. So this is the wrap of the quick start tutorial of Vention Dash Pro. To learn more or buy, please visit ventiontech.com. Link in the description.